What is up, vault dwellers? Welcome back to the channel. Hey man, on today's episode we are finally gonna start working on the 87 Sportster that I grew up riding on the back of. This is my dad's Sporty, and this is the bike that I grew up right here riding bitch on when I was, you know, in elementary and all that. Hey, so we're gonna start restoring it. I got a new battery for it. So we're gonna siphon the gas, whatever gas is in there, because it hasn't been started in a while. Put some new gas in, change the battery, and then I also know that there was no brake fluid in the rear brake, so that was not engaging. So we'll possibly have to bleed the brakes out and put new brake fluid in that. But other than that, I mean, it should be running after that. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so gas has already been siphoned. The gas was not bad, but still better safe than sorry. Now step 2, we're gonna put the battery in and then start it up. And then obviously we need to check, I mean not check, we need to bleed the brakes and all that, but I just wanna hear the motorcycle, I wanna start it. So after we put the battery in, we'll start it. Anyways, so finally I found the right size. New battery is in there. This is the old battery. And now I am going to unscrew the cap for the carb and spray some carb spray in there while I, you know, turn it on. There's already new gas in here, clean gas. And so yeah, we're about to turn this B on. Hey. Okay. So since this is a 87 Sportster and it has not been turned on in quite some time, we are going to put some carb cleaner on the carb to make it a little bit easier for the motorcycle to turn on. We're gonna spray it all up in here. Guys, here we go. Good, no?
Hay que checar el aceite, lo veo, la oigo que suena horrible. Necesitamos más aceite, mira, apenas está apareciendo aquí, mira. Échame todo lo que haya de aceite ahí. Ey, échame luz.
Luz. De mi teléfono, no hay de otra.
Ahí está ya el aceite aquí, mira. Ok, ya está. Ahora pongamos el tapón, dame el tapón. El tapón. Ahora sí, vamos a prender la
Okay,
luz.
hold on.
Many months later.
Alrighty. What is up, vault dwellers, and welcome back to part 2 of this video. Weeks later, I finally took care of all the paperwork necessary, and you know, I got the tags up to date. So now you see this problem right here? It's leaking transmission fluid. There's like a gasket that's missing, or right? It's a gasket that's missing, right, boy? O-ring, yeah. An O-ring? Yeah. So we're gonna take that O-ring out. Take the fluid out, try and go get an O-ring, put that on, because there was no O-ring on it when we took it off. It was like Teflon tape, so yeah, so it's leaking. And yeah, I mean, we still needed to kind of flush the transmission fluid anyways, because of like the stuff that was still sitting in there. So I guess, yeah, took the bolt out, but there is an O-ring. So, I don't know, we probably just need more Teflon. Hey, yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna take this bolt off. Cause this, this bolt off, and I'm showing you guys this. Cause this is how we know, oh god, that the transmission fluid is full. Alright, and then we're gonna use this funnel. Give me some red line between. Yeah. Oh, why? What? What just happened?
A few moments later.
Okay, so as you guys saw, I ended up getting transmission fluid. I needed primary case oil. So it looks like this day, I mean, this video is gonna continue another day, maybe. Yeah, probably. Upon further research, we can actually use this. Hey.
Tomorrow.
Welcome back. We are on the Sporty, yo. We're gonna take it to Eddie's parents' house. Like, we had to fix some things on this. Alright, so, yeah, we're here. Alright. Bikes have been washed, and now Eddie is the one who is well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, a three-parter into one episode. I apologize, it's been kind of a couple months. And that's the 87 Sportster that I grew up riding on the back of since I was in elementary. That elementary, to be specific, my dad would pick me up on that motorcycle, and yeah, man, all my friends thought I was cool, and I was completely and totally embarrassed. Not really embarrassed, social anxiety, don't look at me. I was scared. I didn't like the attention. So, yeah, I'm turning. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit the bell for notifications so that you could be notified anytime I upload videos. I post on Fridays, and I promise that I'm gonna get better at it. Apologize for the break. And until the next one, guys, you stay safe out there in the wasteland.